I'm touching base with you relative to the beginning of your internship. Your internship is the structured plan that you're going to create and implement over the next year and a half of your program. It provides an opportunity for you to engage in field experiences that are grounded in leadership standards, as well as to give you an opportunity to participate in activities, meetings, discussions, strategic planning that normally you would not have access to, as a way to prepare you to stand in the shoes of formal authority. So I've opened the site for you, and it's going to be a little tricky. I need to be able to talk with you so I can hear what your thinking is, your issues, your concerns, as you review the material and then consider how you want to build your plan. Really, this semester, the primary assignment for the class part of the internship is to build a successful plan aligned with the ACOSCA and the NELP standards. As you look at the internship manual, you'll see that there are some required activities that you will engage in toward the accrual of your 200 hours, but there's also flexibility for you to pursue your own interests. So this week, you are just going to review the materials, look at the site. We can schedule some time to talk individually so that we can launch your internship and get you rolling. All right, so I look forward to talking with you soon. Take care.